Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility and network. Make sure the TV supports casting, AirPlay, or has an HDMI port, and that the source device is on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, enable the TV's screen sharing or mirroring mode in settings. This creates a visible target. If you prefer a wired method, plug an HDMI cable into the device and TV. Doing this now saves time later and prevents intermittent wireless issues while you move to the next step. You now initiate the actual share. On a phone or tablet, open the Cast or AirPlay control and pick the TV from the device list. On Windows, use Project Connect. On Mac, use the AirPlay icon. For HDMI, switch the TV input to the plugged port and verify the laptop outputs. Once connected, check aspect ratio and sound routing and make small adjustments so images fill the screen. If latency appears, lower resolution or move closer to the router to improve performance. You complete the process by stopping the share through the device's Cast or AirPlay control or by switching the TV input back to TV. To finalize, confirm audio and video playback one last time. If something goes wrong, first pause and restart the app, then reselect the TV. This often refreshes permissions and clears transient bugs. If issues persist, reboot the router and both devices, or switch to an HDMI cable for a consistent, low-latency connection as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.